Hi everyone, welcome back to our small engine tutorial. Today we have a Ryobi RLT25CS trimmer. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the carburetor. Let's get started. To replace the carburetor with a new carburetor, we need to remove the air filter cover. Undo the screw and remove the air filter cover. Now with the torque T25 screwdriver, remove the two screws that hold the carburetor. And remove the throttle cable. This one we just replaced the fuel line kit, and see the other video for how to replace the fuel line kit. So now we have the carburetor removed, then we replace with the new carburetor. For Australian customers, you can purchase the carburetor from our eBay store or directly from our Vtech website. Go to our eBay store and click carburetor and parts. Carburetor complete. And look for the carburetor for Ryobi RLT25GMCS. So this carburetor comes with the gasket. Okay, to install the carburetor, we need to put the fuel line back. Also on the small return fuel line. Make sure that you insert this properly, and then place the carburetor against that filter base. Hold the carburetor and put the screw back. Now hold the screws and place the gasket through the screws. And insert the two screws to the manifold and screw it back. So make sure that it's on the right position where this one will hook into that swivel, like that, and then set back to the clip. So just screw this one back and just tension the throttle cable while tightening the screw. And now you can tighten the carburetor. Put the filter back and put the cover back. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our video tutorial for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos, and see you next time.